Want to spark deep attraction in a woman without trying too hard. Not by flexing muscles or flashing cash, but by asking the right questions. Questions that awaken her curiosity, trigger her emotions, and make her feel connected to you on a level she can't explain. Today, I'm revealing 6 powerful questions that will make a woman go crazy about you, all rooted in the wisdom of Stoicism and deep psychology. Let's dive into it. Question 1. What does your ideal peace of mind look like? Most men ask women what they do for fun. But you ask her what calms her soul. This flips a switch. It shows you value her inner world, not just the surface. She won't forget the man who made her feel seen, beyond the pretty face. Question 2. What's something you've never told anyone, but always wanted to? This one, dangerous in the best way. It bypasses small talk and hits the heart. It makes her vulnerable, and that creates intimacy. She won't get this question from just anyone, only from a man who's secure in his silence, a stoic presence in a noisy world. Question 3. When was the last time you truly felt powerful? Women crave emotional understanding, not flattery. This question makes her reflect, opens her up, and makes you the person she feels strong around. That's addictive, because once she connects that power to your presence, she'll chase that feeling, not just you. Question 4. What's something you used to believe, but no longer do? Now you're diving into her evolution. You're showing her that you admire growth, that you're not here to judge, but to understand. She begins to see you not as a guy trying to impress her, but a man who listens like a sage. That's rare. That's sexy. Question 5. What do most people misunderstand about you? This question gives her space to be herself, and that's where the magic begins. She'll feel like she can take the mask off around you. When a woman feels safe to be real, she bonds. And you become unforgettable. Question 6. If nothing was holding you back, what would you do tomorrow? This triggers imagination, freedom, desire. It makes her dream, with you in the frame. She'll start to feel like her future could expand around you. That's not flirting. That's emotional seduction, the Stoic way. Women don't remember every compliment. They don't hold on to every date. But they never forget the man who made them feel deeply understood. Ask with intention, listen with presence, and let your silence speak louder than your charm. That's Stoicism. That's power. They're built to stimulate emotion, invite depth, and form a connection. Each one is rooted in ancient Stoic wisdom, where the focus isn't on controlling others, but understanding them. Question 7. What does your ideal peace of mind look like? Say this calmly, then wait, because she's likely never been asked that before. You're planting a seed of calm, of safety, of peace. In a world full of chaos, the man who offers peace wins. Stoic tip: speak this softly, hold eye contact. Let the silence do the seducing. Question 8. What's something you've never told anyone, but always wanted to? Now you're inviting trust. This question bypasses her social mask. And remember, trust isn't built through words. It's built through your response to her truth. When she shares, don't judge. Just listen. Let your calm reaction tell her, I'm not like other men. Are you starting to feel the shift? You're not just asking questions. You're becoming unforgettable. Question 9. When was the last time you truly felt powerful? Women want to feel empowered, not dominated. And the man who recognizes her strength without being threatened by it, he stands out. She'll begin to associate you with her highest self. And the person who awakens that version of her is the one she wants to be around. Again and again. Question 10. What's something you used to believe, but no longer do? Now you're entering her timeline, her evolution, her beliefs. This invites her to open a portal to the real her, not the image she gives the world. You're telling her, without saying it directly, I want to know the woman behind the story. And that's rare. Question 11. What do most people misunderstand about you? Instant emotion. Why? Because every woman has felt misunderstood. This question says, I care about who you are, not who people think you are. And when a woman feels truly seen, she opens up in a way that's raw, unfiltered, powerful. Question 12. If nothing was holding you back, what would you do tomorrow? Dreams, desire, liberation. This one taps into possibility. You're not asking what she has to do. You're asking what her soul wants to do. That's magnetic, because you're creating space for freedom. And guess what? She'll begin to picture her freedom, with you in it. Brother, when you ask these questions, you're not playing a game. You're starting a fire. Not the kind that burns fast and dies, but the kind that warms her soul. This is not about seduction. This is about connection. And when you connect deeply emotionally, soulfully, she'll chase you, not because of what you have, but because of how you make her feel. More depth bonus elements. Stoic mind is easy. You might wonder, why do these questions work? Because they align with a Stoic truth. To influence others, master yourself first. Stoicism isn't about cold detachment. It's about calm control. Being present without being needy. Being curious without being manipulative. When you ask the right questions with genuine stillness, you're no longer a man trying to get a woman. You become a man a woman wants to understand. What scares you the most about being fully loved? Let it hit. This one goes deep fast. It speaks to her past, her walls, her fears. Most men don't ask this because they're afraid of the answer. But you sit with it. You hold space, and in doing so you become unforgettable. Not because you said something clever, but because you gave her a feeling most men never could. Safety within truth. Engagement hiok. I just gave you the keys to emotional connection. Now it's your turn. Drop in the comments. Which of these questions hit you the hardest? Which one do you think she'll never forget? And if you're serious about leveling up your game through mental mastery and female psychology, subscribe, because the next video will unlock secrets most men die without knowing. FINALS2OICMICD. Stop chasing women. Start understanding them. That's how you lead. That's how you attract. That's how you become the rare man she never forgets. This is Stoicism. This is power. This is your edge.